Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre P300 X-Dynamic HSE 130, finished in Iger Grey metallic exterior paint, with 20-inch, 6-spoke, gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include Matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the rear door we can see the spare wheel with the spare wheel cover. As we enter now behind the rear door, we can see the folding third row seats, the second row seats, and the detachable tow bar bag. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, and the ebony Windsor leather seats with the ISOFIX child seat mounts, and the second row climate controls on the centre console. Entering into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise controls with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the seat climate controls, as well as the 3D surround camera system display. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with the right out buttons, USB power sockets, and the wireless device charging pad. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.